Okay, so someone is still sending professional emails from coolkid2007@gmail.com. And if that is you, there is some good news for you. Google just quietly added a feature that people have been asking for. It is now possible to change your Gmail address without losing a single email, without creating a new account. Everything stays exactly where it is. Okay, so let me show you how. But before we change anything, here is something important you need to know. When you change your Gmail address, your old address does not disappear. Google keeps it as an alternate email on your account. So any email sent to your old address still arrive in the same inbox. You can still log in using the old address, and all your data, drive files, photos, YouTube history, everything stay untouched. You are not starting fresh, you are just getting a new primary address. That is actually a really smart way Google handled this. Alright, now let's see how we can change the Gmail address. Go to myaccount.google.com. Now click on personal information at the top left corner. Now scroll down to email and click on it. Now click on Google account email. Then enter your password to verify your identity. Then click on the change Google account email option. Now type the new username you want. That is the part before the @gmail.com. Google will check instantly if it is available. Once it is confirmed as available, click on change email and then confirm your choice when it asks, and that is it. Now let's talk about a few things you need before you make this change. First is you can only do this every 12 months and a maximum of 3 times total in your entire account's lifetime. So do not rush into a new address you are not sure about. Second is after changing, some third-party apps connected to your Google account may ask you to sign in again. Things like payment apps, Chrome extensions and connected services. It takes a few minutes to sort out, but nothing serious. For 20 years, Gmail did not let you do this. Think carefully about what you want the new address to be. Go clean, go professional. Make it something you will not regret. And drop a comment telling me what kind of address you are switching from. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye-bye.